states as follows. In view of our aforesaid discussions, we are of the opinion that mere allegation of fraud simpliciter may not be a ground to nullify the effect of arbitration agreement between the parties. It is only in those cases where the court, while dealing with Section 8 of the Act, finds that there are very serious allegations of fraud which make a virtual case of criminal offence, or where allegations of fraud are so complicated that it becomes absolutely essential that such complex issues can be decided only by the civil court. On the appreciation of the voluminous evidence that needs to be produced, the court can sidetrack the agreement by dismissing the application under 8 and proceed with the suit on merits. It can be so done also in cases where there are serious allegations of forgery or fabrication of documents in support of the plea of fraud, or where fraud is alleged against the arbitration provision itself, or is of such a nature that permeates the entire contract.
About fraud in your.
I'm sorry, Lord.
What is the allegation of fraud in the present your reply?
Yes, Lord. So my allegation, Your Lordship may have my reply. Page 173 onwards, my lords, are my allegations. Para 2. Lordships have it?
Yes.
That the petitioner applicant has not come to the law with clean hands and is guilty of deliberate and intentional concealment of material facts in an attempt to prejudice this honorable court. The petitioner applicant cannot lay challenge the action taken by the replying respondent subsequent to their mischief plead on behalf of their employee and their close relatives with a view to grab the tender. It is pertinent to mention here that the wife of directors of the petitioner company, Srimati Pallavi Patyal, was one of the board of directors of EDPCL company, who was also the outsourced employee of respondent number 2, that is HPSRLM, has disclosed the privileged communication being the employee of the replying respondent number 2. Not only this, another outsourced employee, Mrs. Fairy Thakur, was also one of the board of directors of the EDPCL company, and the mother of Sri Rahul Kanwar, who was also the outsourced employee of respondent number 2, was in the board of directors, which is clear violation of CCS rules and CVC manual. It is also pertinent to mention that an administrative inquiry was initiated in this regard, wherein it has been concluded that the bidding process adopted above is not in order, being procedural lapses.
Also initiated criminal proceedings against those employees.
Because those employees have been terminated. We issued a show cause, they replied, they admitted. These are all admitted facts. They admitted that they were on directors.
Issue notice. In view of these serious allegations made in the reply before the High Court, as could be found in para 2 of para 2.0, that issue notice. Notice reasonable 8 stay of the employment order.
Because Lordship may grant a stay of the
Already granted.
Oh, yes. Very great. Because there's a delay of 38